Hi guys, and today in this video will be 5 affordable sources how we can save money if we old car owners. Patrick's Garage. And number first, let's counting how a lot of gasoline you can buy and which price, average price I mean, for new car. If you want to buy new car with perfect gas mileage, approximately I think it will be 45 grand for average car, maybe subcompact car. And how a lot of gasoline you can buy for this money, just counting that, I think will be better to save old car if you have not too long distance for every day, and like me, I'm not too much driver for every day, and for me will be better to save this old car if it in working condition and I can use it for every day, because a new car just unaffordable for me. 40, 50 grand, it's a tremendous bunch of money for me. It's unaffordable. So if you don't mind to buy gas, you save money in a new car purchase, I think. Not obvious. Just counting how a lot of gasoline you can buy for this money. I can driving without problems for this money, I think, years. And number 2 will be, yes, your behavior behind the wheel. How you driving. And yes, they suggest for us turbo, but turbo, this is just in paper economy. Like if I step on the gas, this is gas mileage will in the sky. I can't counting even how lot of gasoline small turbo engine can be eat. It's also gas consumption and not reliable. If we put turbo for the small engine, it's just for papers. So they say that this is perfect gas mileage, but when we step on the gas, this is gas mileage goes down the toilet, our perfect gas mileage. So, and if you're driving like a maniac, you never save money. This is I want to say for you. Yes, this is the main thing, to drive conservatively. Yes, I think you never save money if you're driving like a maniac. Step, stop, step on the gas and stop again. Accelerates a lot without needleness. So I think driving conservatively, this is the main thing to save money with old car. With any average car, I think, especially turbo. Yes, turbo diesel, it's a good decision for towing anything, but gasoline injection with turbo, not so longevity, I think, and you're not going to save money with turbo engine. And we go to the next one, number 3. Yes, you can repair your old car yourself. Nothing, nothing complications. Not a lot of electronic. Not a lot of hard to figure it what's wrong with car. So, and yes, and main thing why you want to repair your car yourself and change oil, I want to say that I really about oil change shops. I tell you why. I'll tell you. They not pay enough money for their guys who changing their oil. These kids, yes, from the street, they take to this work. I don't know who making this work. They can pour not enough money. They maybe forgot completely about to pour oil into the engine, or maybe they can be do this twice. So you get blown seals and maybe broken broken rods and broken piston rods if they pour twice oil which they need to pour into the engine. If they do this twice, you get a lot of blown parts in the engine. Yes, so be very leery with these cheap oil shops. You can buy oil and change the oil yourself. And what will be number 4? Spare parts. Yes, you can find in the junkyard a lot of spare parts for old cars. They available. And yes, not so cheap aftermarket spare parts, which was proven by the years. If they was crappy, they not sold now. So this is also good source of saving money. Spare parts. You can find something good in the junkyard, or you can buy non-original aftermarket spare parts for your car. Number 5, which very important, I think, just for peace of mind. Avoid stress at all costs. Oh, yes, you're not painting your car every scratch. If you find any scratch in your car, you can be angry anyway, but they not so noticeable on the old car. So, and yes, with these catalytic converters, I want to say that any guys can steal these very expensive parts, catalytic converters, and you can drive without these catalytic converters. These catalytic converters very common in, I think, in average in each new car we can find catalytic converter. But in old cars there is no catalytic converters. So yes, we must think about cleanliness of our air, about how to save our environment for the future, for the next generation, but not too much of old cars continue driving today. And you don't care about emission testing if you have really old car before 75. Yes, I think. So, yes, this is problem with catalytic converters never touch you. So they don't want to steal anything from your car. So you can avoid this violence to their car. Now, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you get me likes. You can sharing this video with your friend if you think that it will be interesting. Thanks for watching and till next time.